this year by Minister Rotimi Keys, very prophetic. With your mouth, you confess, now me get this year is for me. I own this year, so I'm taking ownership of this year, that everything that I do works this year. That God is with me. I'm a testimony. That is my turn. Is my turn for glory manifestation. Is my turn to achieve success, to have accomplishment. Is my turn for great turnaround. Is my turn for restoration and recovery. Is my turn for speed of accomplishment, to cover destiny miles. Is my turn to have to experience open heavens and open doors. Is my turn to be favored. It's my turn to catch up on life in the journey of destiny. Is my turn for good news in the name of Jesus. And I decree over us all tonight that this year 2025, our reality shall be good news only, good news always, in the mighty name of Jesus. And so it is. Nothing can change it. Jesus' mighty name.